Why are you shotgun two men today? Ow.
I just threw on there. I don't know if it's mine or not.
Whose is this?
Somebody has to shotgun it now.
Someone else shotgun this.
That was.
Was it yours?
Whose beer was left there? Oh, Breen, I think it was yours.
Did anyone else land it?
Maybe it was dying.
Did anyone else land it on the thing?
No. Yeah, I'll do it.
It's. Okay, you can do it. But it's mine. But you can do it.
Fuck you, Liz.
Why did you fucking own it?
That's the code
I
word.
wasn't paying it. I was looking this way and he threw it. I wasn't paying attention.
Yeah, that's a fucking shock. It's this side, right?
Yeah.
It's the other side.
Grab a dip off you before it was mine.
You play much better first base, Nelly.
Wow.
Dude, you're gonna cut your face.
No, he doesn't.
No, you just gotta be gentle with it. Nice hole.
Look at that lip
Hey, at
press.
least-
Look
hey,
at the lip press.
At least that shirt's waterproof. It runs off right away.
Wow,
Holy
that took you a long
fuck!
time.
Oh my god,
Wow.
are you done yet?
That took you a long time, Nelly.
We dumped this already?
No, I got it already.
Oh,
Good.
God. Liz. I didn't have good lip pressure. Looks like you did, man. You were pretty well pressed against that fucking can. No, it's bad angle.
No.
Bad angle.
Toss it.
Trying to hit her.